What's up, YouTube? Rusty Rides Garage back here again. Give you a little update on the C10 and maybe a first startup of this bad boy here. Now I do have to give a huge thing to Tool, Top Dead Center Tool. If you guys out there are working on anything old or even new, get one of those tools. A really nice tool. Used them for years. Put in number one cylinder. You make sure that your tab on the distributor is facing number one cylinder. Good go. Usually you hit it right on the money. So there's just a little up view of the engine. Got all the wiring ran. Got all the fuel filters tied up, the braided lines. Over here we got the high performance coil with the pointless distributor back there. A carburetor. I'm gonna put a big old fucking butterfly intake on this. Now in the next video I'll probably be showing you how to turn this into a braided hose like that. Got the brakes all bled. Went ahead and did a dual master cylinder. So on these master cylinders, always remember, if you're going with just a good old mechanical one, dual reservoir, the back reservoir goes to the front wheels and the front reservoir goes to the back wheels. Got that bled down, working real good. Alright, here we go. Let's see if this thing start up. We ready? There you go. Sounds a little thumpy. But we'll get to the exhaust on her. Get the drive shaft on her now. Definitely going to go with there we go. Probably going to go with the big scoop. It's got a little air filter on the inside of that. But to me now this looks a little bit bigger and meaner. So we get that all polished up. Like I said, new rear brake lines, new dual reservoir. Gotta plug up the wiring. Went ahead and reused all of the factory plastic plugs. But I went down to our local CarQuest. Come on. And all these coppers are brand new tabs. So all the wiring's been brand new. Got the visors back from the shop. Gotta put those in. All the wiring under here is done except for this bundle here. That's going to go to the center console. We now got dash lights. Now got our new dome light working. About ready to pull the seats out. Put the carpet in there. Got our little temporary shifter knob here. Got our transmission all hooked up. Here's the old mirror for the truck. I got the bar. I just want to order a new one of these. This one's pretty, as you can see, it's reflective, but it's pretty cloudy. So, fuel tank's working good. We got the electronic antenna back here mounted. So that's going to work nicely once we hook it all up. Got the battery all situated and working good. That's kind of what the rest of the bed's going to look like. Like I said, nothing too special. It's just a work truck. So, and then we did get our new thing put in. Got our new link, adjustable rear link put in on both sides. So that's about it. So next we'll be hooking up the throttle cable, the low car throttle cable, doing a little cleanup work, fine tuning some stuff. Let me guys leave your comments below. I want to know how the scoop is. We're thinking of going silver with a white top on the truck. Let me know what you guys think about that. That's about it. Well, until next time, keep on restoring and keep those hot rods rolling.